We're starting with this complex number. Now we're going to listen to a teacher tell us the steps.
So this is the expression that is given us to us. The first thing that you can do is look at the first expression here that you have here, x squared, and try to find another x squared. So you have one right here and one right here. Okay, so next we're going to see that we have this square root of 3, but we don't have a square root of 3. But we can factor this number out, and here's the factorization. All the ways that you can factor the number out. So it's 24 times square root of 24 times square root of 2 is 48. Then the 24 you can factor it out as square root of 8 times square root of 3 and then times the square root of 2. If you multiply everything, it's going to give you 24. Then the 8 you can factor out by square root of 4 times square root of 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 2. And then you can come to this conclusion also, because 2 times 2 is 4, and this is this 2, this is this 2, and this is this. So whenever you have two square roots equal, you can take one number out. The same thing here too. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then the square root of 3. So that's why here you have 4, the square root of 2, the square root of 3. So now you have exactly the same expression here, and the same thing over here is the same. This expression, this expression, that's the same. So now we can add 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 square root of 2, square root of 5, x to the exponent 2, and square root of 3. And then here, when you look at this number, it's completely different than this number. This has a square root of 3, but it doesn't have a square root of 3, even though they have the same x's, but you cannot do anything. So that's the answer. So you just repeat the answer, and that's the end.
And if you'd like to have more of these wonderful examples, you can go to this phone number, text your email, you got email too. Remember, we're preparing for September 9.